Good morning, 8th class students. So, this is my first class to you. So, as I have allotted 8th class science, so in 7th science we have learnt effectively. So, now I am hoping that all of you pay proper attention and see this video, and please note down the important point which is very important for further studies. So the first topic in 8th class science is crop production and management. This is our first topic, crop production and management. Now students, what is crop production, what is management? Before going to this, what is crop we should know, what is production we know, what is management we know. We should know it, otherwise we can't move further. So we have, in day-to-day life we observe in agriculture field there are many crops we find. So what is, in day-to-day life we use the word crop, but if anybody asks us what is the exact definition of crop, so how we supposed to define it? What is crop? Understand? So see here, the crop mean, it is very important. Means suppose we take maize, because here in Arunachal Pradesh it often, usually actually they cultivate this crop, maize, मक्का बोलते ना. Okay, so maize, we take maize. If we take one maize plant, if we take one plant, if we take maize one plant, do we call this one plant as crop? Do we call this one plant as crop? Do we call this? No, we do not call one plant of maize crop. We do not call this. Understand? So what is crop? Neither we call one plant of maize is a plant, or one plant of rice also we cannot call it as a crop. Understand? Any one plant we cannot call it as a crop. So before going to define crop, see here, when we go to the maize field, in a certain area, let me take 1 acre of area or 2 acres of area, means certain area continuously in a large quantity together the maize cultivation takes place. If we consider these are the maize plants, okay, so continuously uniformity is there, means the maize plant in a large sector, means the same type of plant, means if we grow the same type of plant in large scale, we call this as crop. So what is the definition of crop? Means any plants, if we grow them in a large area. In simple definition you remember like this, any plant if we grow in a large area, any plants if we grow in large area is called crop. Means not one plant of maize is called as crop, but many plants of maize which is distributed in certain area, means we can consider as 1 acre, 2 acre. So any plants if we grow in large area is called crop. This is the definition of crop. Understand? So what is production? Means by taking few grains Okay, 5 kgs, 10 kgs of grain. From that, we are making, suppose we are taking for sowing seeds for this 1 acre maize crop, we need nearly, suppose 5 to 8 kgs maize. But after production, how many kgs of maize we get it? Nearly it is 400 kgs, or not 400 kgs, nearly we get 4000 kgs. Understand? Okay, means 40 quintas, means 1 quinta is 100 kgs, means 40 into 100. So per 1 acre we get it. Okay, we also used to product this maize in our field also. So students, our first topic is crop production and management. In that we are going to define what is crop. So if we take single plant of maize, we cannot call it as crop. If we take single plant of rice also, we cannot call it as crop. Or even if we take cotton, if we take cotton single plant, if we take cotton single plant, if we take cotton single plant, we cannot call it as crop. क्रॉस कर दिया मैंने, means we do not call a single cotton plant into plant. But if we take those cotton plant in certain area, okay, any plant if we grow in large area is called as crop. Together we have to grow them together, that is called as crop. So this is the definition of crop. What is mean by production means we are taking what is mean by production, we are taking small amount of grains, from that large amount of grains we are going to make it out, that is called as production. प्रोडक्ट करते हैं ना, प्रोडक्टिविटी हम बोलते हैं. सो इसका भी आप डेफिनेशन बोल सकते हैं. व्हाट इज प्रोडक्शन मीन्स फ्रॉम स्मॉल क्वांटिटी of grains, small quantity of grains makes large quantity. Okay, this is called as production. So first, what is that? Our topic is crop production and management. In this we are going to define what is crop. So what is the definition of crop? Any plants if we grow in large area is called as crop. So what is production means by using small quantity of grains we makes large quantity of grains. Suppose for 1 acre we need 5 to 8 kilograms of maize. From that nearly it comes 4000 kilograms of maize, means we are producing. Understand, we are producing 5 kgs to 8 kgs converted into 4000 kgs. It is a huge production. Now this crop divided into two types. Understand, this crop divided into two types. Okay, so see here, what are these crop divided into two types. Seasonal means crops cultivates in two seasons. Means students, in India we cultivate crops in two seasons. Understand, number one is kharif, number two is Rabi season. Means Kharif crop, Kharif cultivation, Rabi cultivation. What is mean by Kharif cultivation? This is from June to September. And Rabi is from October to March. So see students, in India majorly these two crop cultivation, two seasons are chosen for cultivation of crop. The first season is Kharif, means this Kharif season duration is from June to September, and Rabi cultivation season is from October to March. In Kharif, we used to cultivate the crops like rice. Understand? Rice and maize. Okay, of course, groundnuts. But in Rabi, we prefer to cultivate cotton, wheat, especially wheat. Understand? Means rice, maize, groundnut prefer to cultivate in between the months June to September. But Rabi is preferred to choose between the months October to March. Example is cotton and wheat. So you have to remember what is crop, its definition, what is production, understand, and how many seasons are there which we are going to cultivate the crops. There are two seasons, Kharif and Rabi. Kharif from June to September, Rabi from October to March. These are the example. Okay, please note it down, and you have to remember this definition. Three definition in today's class, very simple, that is what is crop, what is production, and what is the seasons for cultivation of crop, that is Kharif and Rabi, and from which month to which month the Kharif is cultivation takes place and Rabi cultivation takes place from which month to which month, and what are those crops which we used to cultivate in Kharif and used to cultivate in Rabi. Okay, so note it down.